How sausage is made. Sausages, they're one of the world's oldest and most loved foods. From street food hot dogs to gourmet charcuterie, these meaty links have fed civilizations for thousands of years. But have you ever wondered how sausages are actually made? The story of sausage goes back over 3,000 years, with origins in Mesopotamia, Greece, and Rome. The concept was simple: preserve meat by mincing it, seasoning it, and packing it into animal intestines. This way, no part of the animal went to waste. Today, the process has evolved with technology, but the principle remains the same: meat, fat, spices, and casing. Let's take a closer look. Sausages usually begin with pork, beef, or chicken. Cuts are chosen for their balance of lean meat and fat. Fat is essential. Without it, sausages would be dry and crumbly. The trimmed meat is ground into fine pieces. This grinding process ensures even texture, while also helping flavors mix better. Salt, pepper, garlic, herbs, and regional spices are added. This is where tradition shines: Italian sausages, German bratwursts, Spanish chorizo. Each culture brings its own signature blend. To create a uniform consistency, the mixture is emulsified. Ice or chilled water is often added, keeping the meat cold and preventing fat from separating. Sausage casings come in two main types: natural, made from cleaned animal intestines, and synthetic, often collagen or cellulose. Casings not only give sausages their iconic shape, but also help them cook evenly. The seasoned meat mixture is stuffed into casings, then twisted into individual lengths. This step is where the classic look of sausages is born. Depending on the type, sausages can be fresh, smoked, or dry-cured. Fresh sausages must be cooked before eating. Smoked varieties are cooked with smoke, giving them rich flavor. Dry-cured sausages, like salami, age for weeks or months to develop complexity. Finally, sausages are packaged under strict hygiene standards to ensure freshness before heading off to markets and kitchens around the world. From ancient preservation method to modern delicacy, sausage making is a blend of tradition, science, and craftsmanship. So next time you bite into a sausage, you'll know just how much work went into that flavorful link. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.